Alright, we are making mushroom stroganoff for dinner tonight, and we had a little bit of extra mushrooms, so we cut it up because I read online today that chipmunks like mushrooms. So we're gonna put a little bit outside for the chipmunk. I'm really excited. We're gonna put it out and we're gonna watch him eat it, and he's gonna love it. So, yeah, update on quarantine life, we're now feeding the chipmunk.
Spot behind their ears on the back. See it?
I found a little bunny. There's been some bunnies hanging out around my mom's place lately, so I put some mushrooms down, like some raw mushrooms, because I read online that chipmunks like mushrooms. And I was hoping he would go and find them, but he hasn't. Ah, there he goes. Hello everybody! It is a beautiful day today. It ended up being sunny and about 55 degrees, so we are going fishing, taking a little hike as well. They kind of go hand in hand. So we're just parking Ellie, and then we're gonna head down to the Dead River, and we're gonna do a little fishing and a little hiking and a little filming. I'm taking you guys along today. We found a little tree that looks like it's been just picked clean by a beaver.
Beavtron's working on it. A little tree, show him this.
I mean, okay, it's not a little tree, guys.
Holy wow. That's going right in the river.
Yeah, we've been seeing a lot of beavers lately. Do you have to go down there?
We're gonna go the other way. There's all the ice melting.
So Ethan got an apartment with a couple of friends, so we're checking that out right now. And I already scoped out a nice, solid parking spot for Ellie. So we're gonna go look at it. Cribbo! Cribbo!
Wow, this is gonna be a crazy place, man.
It's like one side and the other side.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, this floor is so sideways. let's go see the other side. I think the kitchen is here. And this is a nice sink. I just ordered a sink about this size for my van. Actually, I ordered the smaller one, and looking at this, I probably could have got the bigger one now. And then they got a couple more rooms over here. Hello, everybody. We just stopped and saw Dad's friend Brenton. He has actually been in one of my videos. You guys might remember him. I'll put a link for his YouTube channel down below. But we just picked up a big solar panel. It's 345 watts. I'm so excited. I finally got a solar panel for the top of my van. We're in a rental car because Ellie's getting new tires on her, so that's really exciting. But the garage ordered the wrong tires, so I have to drive this around for the weekend, which isn't so bad.
No, it isn't.
It's a pretty nice ride.
This thing's got some giddy up and go.
Yeah, it's a Dodge Durango. It's a 2020. So it's been pretty fun. We got this thing for the weekend, but luckily the solar panel fits perfectly back there, and we're gonna go store it at my mom's for now, and then once Dad gets up here from Ludington, we're gonna start working. I'm gonna order some more stuff from Amazon soon for the van, so hopefully I'll have electricity and running water soon. Two very key essential things, especially if the apocalypse happens. We're ready. So there.
All right. What do I do with the...
All right, so we bought the wrong bolts. We bought the wrong nuts for our bolts. They didn't fit. One of them fit, and I think the rest in the container were different ones. So round two, now we're going. What is your speaker on? Alright, so it's hard to get the top of the van with that solar panel on it, but you can kind of see what we did there, mounting that solar panel with those 3 brackets on the side of each. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys, my dad made this really nice cutting board for me, but the sink, pretty wide. It's got a little cubby in there so I can put my soaps in there. And this faucet is nice because it can turn. And then this can turn so I can wash my hair or whatever in there. So that was cool. I'm happy I went with that sink and faucet setup. And then the stove we put in. Also looks really, really good. All my propane is down in here, and that's where my lighter is. So yeah, we're using propane for it, but it looks pretty good.